Alright there, folks. Today we're going to upgrade our Linux Lite 3.0 to version 3.2. So, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to click on Install Updates and Drivers. Then click on Install Updates. And then you're going to put your password in and run your updates. I've already done this. There are other places you can find this. If you've ever done an update before, it's probably in your recently used. It's usually in your favorites. Once you've done that, you're going to come back, and then we're going to walk you through how to run the actual Linux Lite upgrade. Sometimes update, upgrade, same thing, sort of. You can also run that upgrade right there. So, at this point, we're going to pause, and then we're going to go through all that. Folks, now that we've run the system upgrade, first, we're going to switch windows here. And we're going to go to all. And we're going to go to Light Upgrade. And this is now going to upgrade us to version 3.2. Theoretically speaking, of course, we hope. And of course our password again. And this may take a minute or three. So we're just going to pause the video while that runs. Well, maybe we won't pause it. We're going to pause it. It's going to take 4 or 5 minutes here. Alright, and now our updates have finished. You'll come up with this screen here. And it'll ask you if you want to reboot. We're going to reboot. And from there, I'll show you what happens next. Okay, folks, now we've rebooted. When we boot back up, we come up with the Linux Lite splash screen again, allowing you to run your updates and whatnot. We're not going to need to do any of that, but what we are going to do is go over here. And I believe it's under System. I have to find it. Might be under Settings. I believe it's the Session and Startup setting, and Application Auto Start. And there's our cool Linux widget, which we're going to turn on. We're going to hit Close. Now the next time I start this, it's going to be right over here in this corner. So I'm going to go ahead and restart again. Or actually, I'm just going to log out and log back in. But I'll be right back. Alright, as you can see, I've logged back in here. And there's your little widget. It will appear on all your desktops. You can set the opacity on that by playing around with the tweaking. Shows us how much RAM we're using right now. And I'm going to turn this off because I don't need to do updates anymore. And I know where to find them. But you could leave that on for your, till you're used to doing updates. So, get rid of that. And that is all there is to it. I guess I can show you how to tweak that. I think I found that. Windows Manager tweaks. Now, we're going to enable the compositor. Alright, now we're going to scroll down here. Inactive Windows. We're going to go ahead and do this. And as you can see, it becomes a little more transparent, not as annoying. That's all there is to it. This will always tell you when you're due for an update, or if an update has come out and you haven't put it in yet. So it's kind of handy. You can turn it off just the way we turned it on. And that is all there is for this video.